You use Google every day. You search for answers, you search for solutions, you search for fun, and you search the brew, your friend wrong. But did you know that you can use this to make a big money online? Yes, there's a website. It pays you to just a search in Google. You can use it on your phone. You can use it on your laptop or computer, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. So you can do it from your bed. You can do it from the beach. You can do it while waiting in line. You can do it in your ride home. You can do it literally anywhere you want to, as long as you have access to the internet. And if you watch this video until the end, I will explain you step by step how to do it is so you can start making money right now. But before we start, just to make sure to drop a like on this video, leave a thumbs up, and subscribe with notifications so you don't miss out on any of the new make money online strategy. And that being said, now we will start the tutorial. Okay, now, as always, I will explain you each and every step, and I want you to follow along with me. So right after this video, and Will be ready to go out there and earn some real money. So just pay close attention and follow the steps, and keep in mind that this is going to be a really easy to do tutorial, since we will be using only like 2 websites. And the first one is just going to be google.com. And I'm going to show you the second one in a minute. But first of all, I just want to address something. A lot of you guys are asking me, like, why I'm sharing these methods with you and why don't I just keep them for myself and make money? Well, firstly, I'm doing this to help you because I know there's a lot of people out there struggling to make money online. And secondly, I already have my own business model that makes a lot more money. And when I say a lot more, I literally mean $200,000 in 11 months or something like that. And until recently, I didn't want to share this with anyone. But then I just realized, like, the more people in this business, the better. So I started teaching everyday people to do the same. I share my business model with them. And I must admit, I'm not like happier than ever before, because I get to see people going from broke and desperate to making hundreds, and in some cases, like even thousands of dollars per day, because this is truly unique. It's not affiliate marketing. It's not merged selling. It's not Shopify. It's not MLM. It's not some legendary marketer whatsoever. And if you want me to explain it to you step by step, if you want me to teach you every single step and teach you exactly how you can do the same and show you exact same methods that hundreds of students use to make big money online, there, just feel free to check the first link in the description down below so we can connect. And so I can help you out. I guarantee you want to regret it anyways. Let's get back to the video. So the first step for you is to just open up Google and leave it like that. Okay. So the main website we will be using combined with Google. So we can make money by searching, or Google is going to be Mind is Sumo.com. But you must be watching, because if you just go over straight to Mind, Sumo, and you try to figure it out on your own, you will not know what to do, because I'm going to show this simple Google trick. They will actually allow. I do get paid a lot of money with Mind Sumo. So I'm going to show you how to combine those two in order to make money just by searching Google. And I'm also going to explain you exactly how this works, and if you follow each and every step during this video, by the end where you will be ready to make money. As you can see, Montezuma has been working with some of the biggest companies in the world, so you know it's worth it. Like, they've been working with Pepsi, with Johnson & Johnson, Amazon, Starbucks, Disney, Adidas, Facebook, Coca-Cola, Spotify, Microsoft, American Experts, Yahoo, IBM, and much more. As you can see, all of these biggest companies in the entire world, and take a look at how much money is there to be made. Like, one simple search can be $800 to $20,000, $1,600, $800, and so on, so forth. There's a lot of money to be made. Now, you will just need to sign up to mindsumo.com. And how do you do that? Well, you click here where it says a logging/sign up. So click logging/sign up. Then, since you don't have an account yet, you will just obviously click don't have an account yet, so you can sign up for absolutely free. You will enter your first name, You will enter your last name. You will enter your country, your email address. You will create a unique password right here, and you will select your birth date, select your gender, and then you will need to rate yourself in the following skill areas. So you will need to select creativity, skills, marketing skills, and technical skills. Now, this is really optional, but I recommend you select something like average proficiency or above average proficiency, or regardless of what your skills actually are. But this is going to give you higher chances of making more money. So I would say like average proficiency, and once again, average proficiency. Now, you don't have to take these 3 boxes because that's going to sign you up to their email list, and that's obviously not what you want. You don't want any spam emails or whatsoever, so you will just need to take these 2 boxes. Accept their term and conditions in their privacy policy, which you can read by clicking on these 2 links. Then after that, just click "I'm not a robot," then complete the challenge, which is in this case to select the images and just click sign up, and you have an account in mindsumo.com. And once you log into your account and you scroll a little bit down, you're going to be able to see all of these different challenges / questions and projects, which you can answer and get paid for doing that. So you can see they're paying all the way from a couple of hundreds of dollars all the way up to like thousands of dollars. Basically, here in the left-hand side, you're going to be able to see different categories, which you can select. So there's definitely going to be no shortage of money to be made on this website. Since there are new questions and new projects and new challenges coming in every single day, and let me just show you some past projects. Like if I open up, for example, this one over here, you're going to be able to see how much money people have been making with this challenge alone. You can see the dual budget was $1,600, and the top there were top 11 answers, and those top 11 answers. Splitting the revenue, as you can see the top 5 share $1,000, so if you're in a top 5, you're going to be able to make $200 in this case. Sometimes it's going to be a lot more than that, but stick with me so I can show you that simple Google trick and how exactly you will be paid to search Google. Anyways, I want you to come back here and select some of these categories. For example, let's go with computer science, then just select any of these projects you like, and you will answer that project so you can see. They are going to ask you a question, right her? This is the main question that we need to answer, and we have a chance to win a share of $1,600. So what's that Google trick? Well, here's what you will need to do. You'll need to copy this question right here. Copy that. Go over to Google and paste the question right here. So we can find an answer here on Google. So we can go through all of these articles, then, for example, open up this one and try to find if there is an answer to our questions. So once again, their question was, how can artificial intelligence technology help us write right? And as you can see that this is exactly what we're looking for. So they're giving you examples of how that could look like. So this is a really, really professional answer. They will most likely win one of the top shares on here. And you saw how easy that was. All I did is I just copied this, and I just went over to Google. I searched for that question, and now I have an answer right. The next thing I need to do is to add the answer a little bit. So how did I do that? I go back to Google and I search for Google Docs. So make sure to search for Google Docs and open up this website, docs.google.com. This is their official website, and I will click on blank here. Click that, then go back to the article. Then you can copy and paste some of the answers, pasted them right here. Go back, copy another one. So the longer the answer, the better for you to higher the chances of you making money. If your answer is more profound, if your answer is longer, and now you can, of course, edit this. You can change the font. You can change the colors. You can maybe change some words. For example, instead of this, selected, I can change the to blue, and I can maybe bold a bad part or something like that. As you can see, it's full of customizable, and it's really, really easy. So just search for the answer on Google, edited in Google Docs. And once you're done, just click File, go to Download, and download it as a PDF document. Once you open up, that document is going to look something like this. As you can say, this is really, really, really professional. And once you have it on your computer, you will just come back here and you will submit the answers. And you will most likely be win a share, or in this case, $1,600 now. Bear in mind, you will not win a full $1,600. You won't need to share that with other participants. But as you saw, it was really, really easy. And it took me like less than 5 minutes to find the answer on Google just by searching. I found the answer in less than 5 minutes. And now I have a chance to win anywhere from like $20, $30, $50, or maybe even $100 or $200 for absolutely free. Now this project was actually completed. So as you can see, it's done. So I would need to find something that is actually open and then submitted. I submit my answers. They are, for example, this one. All I need to do again is just search and Google for the answer. Find the answer. And once they find the answer, I just need to click. I have an idea to log into my account, enter my email address, enter my password, and submit the answer. So that's how easy it is just by searching on Google. There's a huge chance of making a lot of money online. Of course, it's not a guaranteed that you will always win the challenge and get the share of the prize, but it takes you just a couple of minutes. To search on Google, it's really easy. And as I said, you can do it from anywhere you live. So why not do it in your spare time and make some extra income? I hope you did get some value out of this video. And if you did, don't forget to give like to this video. I hope you did get some value out of this video. And if you did, don't forget to drop a like, leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the fresh new Make Money Online content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in some of the next videos.